In this video, I will show how to construct this object which appeared in my last video, link in the description, though I should warn you that video's focus is on group theory, so if you're just here for the modular origami, you can give it a skip. Well, it would be this object minus the cotton swab, so really it would be this object. This object is the fully augmented version of this thing, which looks like a cube, though I would contend that it is better to view it as being a tetrahedron, this object. To see why, I have this version where I've colored in each of the four faces a different color. In any construction with Sonobe modules, I think it is best to view each module as the edge of a triangular face. The tetrahedron, this thing, has 6 edges, and likewise this object has 6 Sonobe modules. To augment a face, I can open one of them up, and don't worry, this is just to demonstrate how, or what I mean by augmenting a face. You will not have to open up any pre-existing faces in the actual construction. Okay, so here I have augmented one of the faces of the tetrahedron. This full shape has the 6 Sonobe modules of the cube, plus an additional 3 Sonobe modules for each of the for each of the 4 faces to be augmented. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 6 from the tetrahedron gives a grand total of 18 required Sonobe modules for this object. For the 3-color version like this, you would need to have 6 of each color. However, I want to make a version where each of the augmented faces is a different color, which would mean 4 colors. However, 4 does not evenly divide 18. To remedy this, I will leave the 6 Sonobe modules corresponding to the tetrahedron a 5th color, in this case black. So to begin, I will start with one of the corners. Now, generally speaking, when you construct objects using Sonobe modules, you start out by building a face. However, in our construction here, these actually correspond to vertices of 3 different triangular faces. So we don't want this, we'll actually want this, which looks very similar, but you can compare how the faces lie here. So this is a standard face here, and this is the corner, and this is what we'll want to start out with. Okay. So again, these black Sonobe modules will represent the cube, though we won't actually be constructing the cube. So far, I have these 2 colors in. Then I'll do blue next. It's a little bit more difficult to do this in front of a camera, but anyway, I hope to be using this object in my next video, where I will show that the subgroup that I demonstrated in the previous video is actually normal in the tetrahedron's symmetry group. And I hope to demonstrate what that means. That did not turn out well. There we go.